All right, today we're mixing it up and we are going to make a box origami. I lived off making these when I was a child. So I'm gonna show you what you're gonna need. You want scissors, any piece of paper. I'm starting with just a piece of paper out of the printer, easy. The thinner the paper, the easier. So this is a little thicker, so when you get practice, you can do the thick stuff. But when I was a child, my twin brothers and I we couldn't watch TV, so we had to be creative. So we would make hundreds of these because my dad would bring home scrap paper, and we put faces on them and make little families, and this is what we do all day. So fun. So we're gonna make it together. So you're just gonna take a regular paper, 8.5 by 11, and you're gonna take the corner and you're gonna put it all the way to the edge. Do you guys see how it goes to that edge? And then you wanna fold it down, okay? So this is when you're gonna take your scissors. The only time you're using your scissors is now you want to cut right along this edge. You're gonna take this part off. Bye-bye. Okay, throw it away. Bye. Okay, so now what you have is a piece of paper. So now it's folded one way, bloop, bloop. Open it up, and now fold it the other way. So we're gonna use these creases, okay? And fold along that line. So origami is called the art of paper folding. So now, as you can see, we've got a plus sign. So what you're going to do is you are going to face it towards you, and it's gonna look like a pyramid. You're gonna fold it in. These two sides are gonna flatten together, and these ones are gonna fold in. Okay, if you guys can see this. So these two are flat, and then folding these sides in, so it's going to make it look like, do you see how it's a triangle? You're gonna make it look like a triangle and lay it flat. Easy cheesy lemon squeezy. Okay, so the word origami comes from two Japanese words. Ori means fold, and gami means paper. There you go, learn something new. So now you are going to see it has the two pieces. You're gonna take the first flap, bloop, 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 and you're gonna fold this up to the top. Okay, take the second flap, fold this up to the top. You are gonna do the same thing on both sides, so flip it over, fold up. So it's unsure whether it originated in Japan or China, but it's somewhere in Asia. Okay. All right, so now you have these little flaps. So stay on this side, and what you wanna do is now you wanna fold these into the center. So fold it in to the center, lay flat, and then fold this into the center, lay flat. Okay. So now what you're gonna do is flip it over, do the same thing on this side. Fold it into the center. Try to make it even there. Lay it flat, fold it into the center, and lay flat. So this is the tricky part now. So you're gonna see how there's a little flap here? Bloop, 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 bloop. Bring this down. So now it's sticking out like this. Then you wanna take this and fold it so it looks like a triangle. See the triangle? All right, so what you're gonna do with this, you're like, well, what do I do with this hanging thing? You're going to pick up this. If you'll see, inside here, there's like a little pocket. So I put my little finger in there, my nail in there. Do you guys see how it opens up like that? And then you're going to tuck this into there. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Tucking it away. You're gonna do the same thing on the side. So take that fold, bring it down, make it look like a triangle, then fold this in. And now, get that flap, open it up with your fingy, and tuck it on in. Perfect, look at that. Bam! So what we gonna do? We're gonna do the other side. So, students of origami were told they will get a wish come true if they make over 1,000 paper cranes. So maybe next time we'll make a paper crane, but that's part crazy. So we got the flap, triangle, fold over. By the end, you're gonna be a professional at this, and you're gonna maybe you'll be like me and make tons of them because they're super fun. Put faces on them, whatever. Throw them at each other. Ooh, paper fight, paper box fight. Crazy. Take the flap down, fold it, fold it in, find the pocket, and put it inside. Okay, so Now you're like, well, what do you do with it now? So now I'm gonna take so one side, there's no opening. The other side has an opening. So if you look on it, this is where the paper, there's an opening. So find the side that has an opening and make it topwise. Then you wanna put the folds on either side. So it's gonna look like this. I'm gonna show you offline, but what you're gonna do is you're gonna put this up to your mouth and you're going to blow. So you're gonna hear me do it. You're gonna keep blowing. I need more hot air until it fills up. So I'm gonna keep blowing. Of course it's not working. So I don't know why it's not working, but maybe I have too much spit. I'm gonna try this again. I'm gonna try to open that little hole. Oh, that's better. Okay, so it's kind of blowing up. Do you see how it's blowing up? But we're going to blow a little more. So you see how these have like creases in it? We're gonna make those creases. So you're gonna come here and try to make a crease. I'm folding it. Come over here, fold. Come on this side. I don't know why this isn't working. Fold. Maybe because I used too thin a paper. Because these ones are thick paper. I'm gonna blow. Oh, dang, that was good. Okay, so now we're gonna fold this side. Fold, fold, fold. Get one extra blow. Yeah. So this is my little box. Yay! Okay, so I'm hoping you guys can make a box too. Let me know how it goes, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out, people!